Hello guys! Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new 10 best Amazon home gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks! So let's start the video.
The Caliper can organizer is a robust and practical solution for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen storage. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek chrome finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your pantry or cabinet, but also ensures longevity. The heavy-duty construction delivers confidence in its ability to withstand the weight of 36 canned goods while maximizing vertical space. Thanks to its stackable design, users can easily customize their storage solution based on their available space, making it an excellent choice for both small apartments and larger homes. The adjustable dividers are a standout feature, allowing for a tailored organization that can accommodate various can sizes, which is particularly beneficial for those who stockpile different brands or types of goods. Measuring 3 inches deep, 13.8 inches wide, and 17.3 inches high, the Caliper can organizer fits conveniently in most standard cabinets, ensuring easy access to your can.
The UFI L60 robot vacuum with self-empty station is an impressive addition to the range of robotic vacuums, particularly for those seeking convenience without compromising on performance. With a sleek black design and dimensions of 12.85 L into 18.71 W into 1422 H, it fits seamlessly into a variety of home environments while maintaining practical functionality. One of the standout features of this model is its self-emptying capability, allowing for 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Users can appreciate the convenience of not having to manually empty the dustbin regularly. The included dust bag has a capacity of 350 milliliters, which makes it suitable for various home sizes, effectively collecting dirt and debris over extended periods. The UFY L60 boasts a powerful suction strength of 5,000 PA, ensuring it effectively tackles a range of surfaces from hardwood floors to carpets. Its HEPA filtration system captures allergens, enhancing air quality, an excellent feature for allergy.
The Garrett window cleaning robot is a remarkable addition to modern household cleaning solutions, designed to simplify the often tedious task of window maintenance. With its innovative bagless feature, users can enjoy the convenience of a hassle-free cleaning experience, eliminating the need for messy disposal of vacuum bags. One of the most significant advantages of the Garrett robot is its compact, lightweight design, making it easily maneuverable on various window types. The robot operates on a powerful battery system, providing approximately 20 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge. This is generally adequate for smaller windows or quick touch-ups. However, for larger cleaning tasks, users might find themselves needing multiple charges, which could lead to interruptions in the cleaning process. The inclusion of batteries with the product is a thoughtful touch, ensuring that users can get started immediately upon unboxing the device. The ease of setup and operation is commendable.
The Beko KW110 cord reel is an exceptional addition to any workspace or home environment where organization and safety are a priority. This cord reel stands out with its eye-catching orange color, which not only adds a pop of brightness, but also ensures that it's easily visible and accessible when needed. Crafted from durable multi-materials, the construction of the Beko KW110 guarantees longevity and resilience, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It is designed in a compact form with dimensions of 12 into 12 into 4.3 inches, allowing it to fit snugly into tight spaces without sacrificing capacity. This reel can effectively manage heavy-duty cords, eliminating the tangling and clutter that often accompanies electrical cables. A notable feature of the Beko KW110 is its user-friendly design. The reel operates smoothly, allowing for easy retraction of the cord, which simplifies usage for both novices and seasoned users alike. It is especially valuable for carpenters.
The Pure Garden smokeless tabletop fire pit offers a unique blend of modern design and practical functionality, making it a standout addition to any outdoor or indoor space. Crafted from durable concrete, this fire pit features a minimalist off-white finish that seamlessly complements a variety of styles, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of patios, backyards, or cozy living rooms. With dimensions of 14.5 inches in diameter and only 3 inches in height, its compact size allows for easy placement on a table or any flat surface, making it an ideal choice for gatherings or intimate settings. Despite its smaller stature, The round shape ensures that the flame is visible from all angles.
The Amazon Basics Rectangular Adjustable Computer Monitor. Riser Desk Stand is a practical solution for those looking to optimize their workspace while enhancing ergonomics. With a sleek black design, this riser fits seamlessly into a variety of office aesthetics, making it suitable for both home and professional environments. Weighing in at just 256 pounds, the stand is lightweight yet sturdy, supporting a variety of monitor sizes and weights. Its dimensions, measuring 16.1 into 4.88 into 11 inches, provide ample space to accommodate your monitor without occupying excessive desk real estate. The riser's rectangular shape ensures a stable base, preventing any wobbling during use. One of the standout features of this monitor riser is its adjustable height. This flexibility allows users to customize their setup according to personal comfort, which can significantly reduce neck and eye strain during long hours of work. By elevating your monitor to eye level, you create a healthier posture.
The Oadir Home Power Recliner in Cream is a standout piece for anyone seeking comfort and style in their living space. Its oversized dimensions of 38.6 inches deep, 36.2 inches wide, and 40 inches high provide ample space for relaxation, making it suitable for users of varying sizes. The elegant cream color enhances its versatility, allowing it to seamlessly blend with a range of decor styles, from contemporary to traditional. This recliner not only serves as a functional seating solution, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The Power Recline feature is a significant advantage, offering effortless adjustments with the push of a button. This functionality distributes weight evenly, ensuring that anyone can find their ideal position for unwinding after a long day. Whether you're reading a book or watching television, this recliner accommodates a wide range of comfortable postures. Comfort is further enhanced by its plush cushioning, which strikes a perfect.
The Nyko 011407A electronic digital caliper measuring tool is a versatile and precise instrument designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this caliper combines functionality with a robust construction, ensuring longevity and reliability in various measuring tasks. Measuring up to 6 inches with remarkable accuracy, it features a measurement precision of 0.001 inches or 0.002 mm, making it suitable for applications that require a high degree of detail, such as engineering, woodworking, or metalworking. The digital display is easy to read, providing clear and immediate results, which enhances user experience and efficiency during measurements. The caliper's design includes a comfortable grip for ease of use, and it operates smoothly across its range, which spans from 0 to 6 inches. The measurement capability allows for both internal and external measurements, as well as depth measurements, providing comprehensive functionality.
The HP Sprocket 2x3 Instant Smartphone Photo Printer presents an impressive blend of technology and convenience, making it a noteworthy choice for anyone looking to capture and share memories on the go. Weighing just 6.1 ounces and designed with portability in mind, this compact printer fits easily into a bag or even a pocket, ensuring that you can keep it handy for spontaneous photo opportunities. Utilizing Zinc Zero ink technology, the HP Sprocket eliminates the need for traditional ink cartridges, offering a seamless and hassle-free printing experience. This innovative approach not only reduces waste but also enhances the printer's portability, allowing you to print vibrant, borderless photos directly from your smartphone. The maximum print speed of 1 photo per minute may not break any records, but this leisurely pace allows for a more thoughtful printing process. Connectivity is straightforward with Bluetooth technology, making it simple to connect the Sprocket.
The DMI Leg Wedge pillow is a thoughtful design aimed at providing back pain relief and enhancing overall comfort during rest. Measuring 8 inches in height, this pillow is constructed from high-quality foam that yields impressive support while maintaining a comfortable feel. Its thoughtful shape allows for optimal leg elevation, promoting better alignment of the spine and alleviating pressure on the lower back. One of the standout features of the DMI Leg Wedge pillow is its removable cover, which adds convenience to the product. The cover is easy to take off, making cleaning hassle-free and ensuring that you can maintain a fresh and hygienic sleeping environment. The blue color adds a calm aesthetic, making it a subtle yet attractive addition to any bedroom decor. In terms of functionality, this wedge pillow performs exceptionally well, allowing users to find a comfortable position for sleeping or resting. Whether you're dealing with chronic back issues or simply seeking a more restful